If you wanted to block numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to open the phone app. Over here, you can, for example, choose the contact that you wish to block. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here, and we're going to tap on this eye icon on the right side. Next, we can go to more over here, and we have the block contact option. So if you tap over here, then you can confirm that you want to block the selected contact, and that is all. You can also go to recents, of course, and in here you can tap on the contact as well. Tap on this icon with 3 lines and 3 dots, and at the bottom of the screen we have the block option as well. So you can block a number that has been calling you that, for example, you don't have saved in contacts. Also, last but not least, you can tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner and go to settings. In here in settings, we should be able to find block numbers option. In here we can provide the number that we want to block. So I'm gonna just enter a random number, and we can tap on this plus over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.